everyone, what's up? We are here at the Venetian. Let's get to the video. This is the walkway from the parking garage area. Smells like coffee. It's a coffee bean. Alright, we're gonna go down into the casino and then I'll walk around the shops. Oh my god, that girl just took out that sign. There was no temperature check when I came in this time. You walk in, there's the concierge. There's like Grand Lux Cafe. This is their nice little diner. Craig and I've eaten here. When we stayed at the Palazzo, we actually ate here. It's a nice restaurant. Tasty food. We walk straight into Slot World. Holy moly. Okay, I should say it is Friday afternoon. It's like 2:30. And it is crazy busy in here tonight. Wow. They have dealers at every table. These are to my right here are the high limits. These are all $50 tables right now. We're just gonna keep going to the right. I'll go back through the table games. Baccarat. I don't even know what that minimum was. I couldn't see it. Oh, there's still $50 over here. Wow. Here is the cashier. Now this is a busy casino. Here's Yardbird. Oh, I think we've eaten there too. With friends. And they have really good chicken and waffles. Is what I got. Sorry, I feel like I have you on the ceiling. No, this is more shops this way. I'm going to go back through the casino to get that part out of the way. And we'll come back past this. There's a couple of restaurants down here. They all look jam-packed. I cannot believe how busy Slot World looks, you guys. It's crazy. Alright, we're gonna stay to the right over here. There's a cocktail bar over here. It's closed right now. Probably opens later at night. Usually these cocktail bars open around 5 p.m. But it's fancy in there. Give you a little glimpse of Slot World. Gonna keep to the right. Noodles restaurant over there. And we're gonna come up on the sports book, which I feel like I should do a parlay. All right, we're gonna do a parlay. None of you know what a parlay is. You bet a few teams and your odds are obviously harder to win. They have to cover their point spread. But let's see what we got for college football. All right, so here's the difference. The big T's, the odds are a lot different, a lot lower. So we're gonna do the half point parlay prices. So for if you win 3 out of 3, you get 11 to 2. If you get all 4, you get $12 per $1. Alright, so you fill in the bubbles for the team, and then you put the number of teams and the amount of bet. So this is a $20 bet for a 5-team parlay. The teams I picked this week: Oklahoma, Clemson, Ohio State, LSU, and Texas, all covering their point spreads. So we got our bet in. Over here is the Black Tap. Looks like this is their poker room. Wow, look at this arena gaming here. That's got everything you can ask for. Roulette, blackjack, baccarat. Wow. There's bubble craps, blackjack, another bubble craps, more roulette. Wow. The poker room is over here. When I was here on Friday, this place was jam-packed. You go up the escalators to the Grand Canal Shops, the Gondola Ride, Tayo. Let's go out front. I believe this is to the, I don't know if this is to the Las Vegas Boulevard or not. Actually, it's not. This is to the Grazie desk. The Players Club reward is over there. And security, so we're not gonna go that way. Alright, we're just gonna keep sticking to the right over here. Some more Slot World. Oh, there's high limit slots over that area. Let's go take a look. So if you watched the live on Wednesday, I did say I had to re-record this, so this is re-recorded, and it is Wednesday night, about 7:15 right now. They're high limit slots. And then we're gonna go down. This is to the front desk area. Security is to my right. So this is the Venetian front desk area. When you first walk in, you get this massive gold Venetian rings. You know, it's kind of cool. And then the front desk is over there behind it. This is a fountain. And then there's everyone checking in over there. If you're coming in on a weekend, these lines are super long. I'm gonna put a little bit of the unaudited video so you can see how long it was on Friday. They probably were waiting an hour or so. Alright. This is their downstairs food court area. They got a pizza place, a burger place, and of course ice cream and bakery. We're just gonna cut through here. And if you're wondering, face masks are still required indoors. In the casinos. It's the Wheel of Fortune. Everybody loves Wheel of Fortune. What else we got over here? This is more to the Canal Shops. And we're back to the Grand Lux Cafe. We're gonna walk through table game area again, just on this side. So you see, wow, everybody's playing this roulette. So on Wednesday night, it's $15 minimum there, blackjack. $25 minimum, $15 free bets blackjack, Spanish 21, $25 minimums.
I can't film or video that.
Okay. All right, we got busted. Here's the craps tables that are $15 minimums. All these ones are empty right now. We'll do a little bit of Slot World. All of their minimums were $15 or $25. Sorry, the guy stopped me and said I can't bless you. Welcome. Sneezing in his mask. It's kind of gross. Holy Toledo, look at these buffaloes over here. Look how massive. That is one big buffalo. I bet it goes super loud. Ooh. This is like Buffalo Land. I wonder if they have, what does Colin say? Timberwolf. I haven't seen it anywhere. I see a lot of wild wolves. So we are back over here by the sports book. And that's pretty much it for the floor. We're gonna go up, do a little bit of the Canal Shops. There's the beautiful chandelier. It's fancy. This place is nice. Let's go up to the Canal Shops. And then we'll go back through. Oh, I should probably go on the right side. Ooh, she's winning over here. Alright, going up the escalator. Look at the ceiling though. Holy Toledo. Anyway, it's Fat Tuesdays. Thank you. Alright. So when you come to the Venetian, one of the things they are known for are the gondola rides. I'm going to show you this daytime view. This is the nighttime view. Again, I had to re-record because I lost the audio. I really hope this audio works. Oh, that's pretty. Anyway, this is down. There's a little fountain area. Across the street you got Mirage and Treasure Island. Beside you have the Palazzo, which is part of the Venetian. Over here you go up and down that escalator, you get to the Las Vegas Strip. And over there is also the Wax Museum. Here we go. I'm just gonna stay to the right so you guys get a glimpse. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit so the video's not forever long. And hi. No, thank you. Anyway, get you off the ceiling. I guess I could probably walk through the center and you get both sides. Well, there's a little Harley Davidson shop over on the left side. I didn't realize it was over there. A lot of this stuff is probably closed for the night. It doesn't mean it's closed forever. It is 7:30 right now. Just so you know, that tiger. Jeez. Some high-end stuff. There's a nice steakhouse, Smith and Walensky. Delicious. Craig and I went there on our anniversary one year. Got a porterhouse for 2. It's amazing. All right. So here are the gondola rides indoors. I don't know if there's, oh yeah, they're still doing them. You can see her over there. Oops, maybe, before I lose her. So this is where they come down and they turn around in this little area. All right, go over here. Jeez, I feel like I had you guys on the ground. There's a bunch of different stuff in here. If you're looking for a store in particular, I would just Google it because it's easier to find if they have it here. The ice bar. We did a video there. If you haven't, check it out. If you ever did the ice bar, let me know if you did the one here or down by the link. It was a neat experience. I would probably never do it again. Unless we had friends who wanted to do it. I think we're coming on a dead end. Yeah, this is more food stuff down here. Casanovas. Hi. Prime rib burger. Everything smells so delicious right now. Ice cream. We got Johnny Rockets, crepes, Chipotle. I think I could eat Chipotle almost every day. Looks like they're getting Popeye's chicken. There's everything down in here. So this is up in the Forum, or not Forum Shops. This is up in the Grand Bazaar Shops. Forum Shops are at Caesars, so sorry about that. Trying to keep you guys straight. Tacos. Houdini's is shut down completely. When I did the walkthrough on Friday afternoon, it was completely shut down. I think they're done here. All right, let's go around. What is one food you think you could eat forever? Put in the comments. Like, if you had to eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be? It's hard. I don't know what mine would be. Maybe tacos, because you kind of change them up. You do chicken, steak. It's a nice little art gallery. Wow, that peacock. Electronics. Look at this pug. Aww. Super cute. Anyway, it said free shipping. There's some weird stuff for art, I think. So the gondola rides go through this whole Canal Shops. You see her going under the bridge there. Excuse me. Onions, pretzels. Smell delicious. Alright. Hopefully you're getting both sides. No, thank you. Here's some more places to eat. I guess when you come to Vegas, you just come to eat. I'm just kidding. There's so many different places you can eat though. So that's cool. If you want specific food, you can find it anywhere here. Gondola Rides look so dark. Oh look, it's coming down this bridge. So it's sweet, huh? They only do the ones outside during the day. But it looks like they do the nighttime ones anytime. I'm not going to go over to the Palazzo side. Or Palazzo. I know I get corrected all the time. Saying it wrong. But it is attached to the Venetian through the Grand Canal Shops. Here's their times. If you want to know, the gondola ride, $34 per person. And then you go in here and they sell gondola stuff, pictures and everything. It's kind of nice. I like it. I've done it a couple times, honestly. When Craig and I came out for our anniversary that one year, we did it. Down here, you have where everybody takes their pictures with the fall decor. Looks really pretty. And then over on that side, see way over there is the Palazzo side. We're gonna go down. Here, we'll go back around. Michael Kors. So these stores are not closed, they're just closed for the evening. It's because it is almost 8 o'clock. Coach. Miners Gyms. There's a brewery over here? What? I didn't know this. Doesn't look like it's open. Oh, they close at 9? Yeah, I don't think they're open anymore. Interesting. And this is more the Palazzo side. We're just gonna go down and around. Man cave. Plaza Tower, parking garage, that way. The wishing tree. It's fancy. That's super pretty. Anyway, here's the fall decor. It's pretty nice. And then the second one says love over there. All the leaves are hanging in our way. And then there is the picture that everybody likes to take with love. It's really pretty with the fountain in the back. We're gonna go back down through the casino and head to the parking garage. This is their show, Atomic Saloon Show. It says clever, hilarious, gorgeous to look at. Ooh, fancy. There's a cake vending machine. Carlos Bakeries. His actual restaurant is upstairs here off the Venetian. They sell everything you see on the TV show. Here is Restaurant Row. I believe this is where the Yardbird was when you first come in, so I'll give you an idea where we're at. Got you on the ceiling again. Sorry guys, I don't know what my deal is. Yeah, there's the sugar cane, and then Yardbird will be up here on the right. Should be, if I'm back where I need to be. We're gonna risk going back down the table games one more time for y'all. You wanna come take your pictures? Yeah, here's Yardbird. So we're back where we first came in. Jeez, this place is crazy. Busy right now. Oh, they have $5 blackjack. What? Right there in front, it says, and the big red table, $5 oh, it's for this arena type blackjack. Well, that's cool. Excuse me. I can't remember which guy busted me. So that's $25 ultimate Texas Hold'em. I don't know how to figure out Baccarat's $25 minimum and $20 minimum for roulette. $25 minimum free bet blackjack. $15 minimum blackjack. So there are a couple $15 tables. That is it, guys. I hope you like this video. Please like if you haven't, subscribe. We will see you on the next one. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video of the Venetian. Peace out, Vegas. We love you.